Hey everyone, welcome back. For today's vlog, I want to talk about something that most of us go through. Relationships. And what happens when there's conflict. Especially kapag bigla na lang kayong hindi nag-uusap. Kasi aminin natin, masakit yun. In my experience, kapag may taong bigla na lang ako hindi kinakausap, it really affects me. Ang daming pumapasok sa isip ko. Like, may nagawa ba akong mali? May kulang ba sa akin? Ginawa ko naman lahat para i-keep yung relationship. Bakit ganito? And the truth is, nagkakapagod mag-isip ng ganon. But at the same time, I also learned na hindi naman maiiwasan ng pagkakamali. Lahat tayo nagkakamali. Walang perfect na relationship, whether friendship or love. But the question is, sapat na ba yung pagkakamali para i-cut off ka na lang? Para hindi na kayo mag-usap? That's when I realized, hindi lahat ng tao marunong mag-handle ng conflict. Some people choose to communicate, but some people choose to walk away. And that says a lot. Here's one important lesson. A healthy relationship doesn't avoid problems. It works through them. Kung ang tao kaya ka i-let go without even trying to fix things, maybe that relationship isn't as strong as you thought. And don't get me wrong, masakit talaga. Lalo na kung ginawa mo naman lahat ng best mo. Pero at the end of the day, you can force someone to stay. And you can force someone to understand you. So, here are some things I learned. Some do's and don'ts. Let's go first dun sa do's. One, communicate honestly. Then, listen. Hindi lang para sumagot, kundi para umintindi. Reflect on your mistakes and be willing to grow. And lastly, give space when needed. Sa don'ts naman, don't beg for attention or love. Don't overthink. Don't overthink everything to the point na nasasaktan ka na. Don't blame yourself for everything. And lastly, don't lose yourself just to keep someone. And when it comes to choosing people, kilalanin mo muna. Observe how they treat you. Especially during tough times. Kasi doon mo makikita kung sino talaga sila. Hindi lang sa masasayang moments, kundi also sa conflict. And before you decide, timbangin mo muna. Ask yourself, is this person helping me grow? Do I feel respected? Do I feel at peace? Kasi love or connection is not enough. Dapat may respect, understanding, and effort. And if you're going through something right now, kung may relationship na parang hindi na maayos, just remember, hindi lahat ng nawawala dapat ipilit. Sometimes, letting go is also choosing yourself. You deserve a relationship na hindi ka pinapaisip kung sapat ka. You deserve clarity. You deserve peace. And the right people will make you question your worth. If this message helped you, share it with someone who might need this. And see you on my next vlog. Thank you.